Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar said that India has created a world record with 64.2 crore voters participating in the Lok Sabha polls. Briefing the media in New Delhi today, Kumar said that the number is 1.5 times of the voters of all G7 countries, the US, UK, France, Germany, Italy, Japan and Canada, which makes this the highest ever in the world. He also said only 39 repolling were conducted in this election, unlike 540 repolling in the 2019 general election. He also said that no major incident of violence took place in this Lok Sabha election.
42 million proud Indian voters. This is a historic moment for all of us, for the nation as a whole. 642 ever anywhere in the world in any of the electoral exercise. That's what is the number of voters. And this is just to give you some small statistics. This is 1.5 times of the voters of all G7 countries. There are 312 million proud women voters. This is also the highest ever in the world.